In your first alert forecast, getting out the door this morning, some areas of dense fog, important to keep in mind, reminding the kids to stay up in the grass just in case a pocket of fog drifts by. Again, we've got more clouds this morning and a couple of showers falling from those clouds. It's humidity in two different forms basically this morning, almost a drizzly mist, spotty showers and fog combo here. But we will at least have a little more sun this afternoon in case you're trying to plan ahead as we kick off the day warm, sunrise 7:05. And low 60s is our starting point, right around the normal high. 64 is the average high. Now we do have that dense fog advisory until 9 a.m. for much of the southern plateau and central valley. We have cloud cover again, the other side of that story there, with fog and clouds and a couple of light showers to kick off your day. Notice some spottier rain, a little bit better rainfall rates, but still very isolated, developing plateau, northeast Tennessee, southeastern Kentucky. So we're then looking to transition back to more sun in the valley with some stray rain for your afternoon. So that's where there's a give and take in what we're seeing this morning and then this afternoon. And clouds and fog close back up tonight, but that won't be the story all day tomorrow either. So when it comes down to it, those spotty pockets of rain, a little stray light drizzle in the valley, this is what it adds up to. Few spots collecting that few hundredths to a tenth of an inch of rainfall. Definitely not as good of a coverage as yesterday, coming down from that spotty to stray coverage today, especially coming down from that cloud cover. We'll have some more sunshine there. But notice that heat, 75 at noon, high today 78, sunset 5:34. So by 7 o'clock, we'll still be around 70 degrees, still warm with stray rain. And that first alert forecast where you live in between, kind of layering up the story of the clouds and the spotty rain, how it impacts temperatures. Well, it'll get you to 78 today in Knoxville, 79 Madisonville to 80 in Loudon. I think you could top out closer to 72 though. Crossville and Jamestown getting some of that spotty rain today. Warburg 73. LaFollette at 76, right in that area of spotty rain. You can see some big variations like 72 Barberville to 76 Tazewell. And then we get back into those upper 70s into far northeast Tennessee. 77 Morristown could have a couple spots trying to hit that 80-degree mark like Pigeon Forge or Dandridge. But either way, we get some more sun for the afternoon. Then back to the clouds and some fog in the morning with some stray showers left over early. But your Friday really becomes more partly cloudy to even some mostly sunny views for your afternoon. So we do have more hours of sunshine for your Friday before clouds start flowing right back in again, just because we're coming off of one front and we have another one on the way. So we are still warm, better, but still warm. I mean, your Friday morning, look how we're 20 degrees off from the average low. It's 62 in the morning, 69 at 11, high tomorrow 75. That puts us in the upper 60s for any evening plans for your Friday. And then your weekend plans need to keep in mind that we do have that rain on the way. Now it's partly cloudy to mostly cloudy during the day on Saturday. Clouds start to increase again. Some spotty showers can pop up, but by the end of the day, we'll be keeping an eye on the leading edge of rain from the next front. So now that's wanting to come in closer to Saturday night to early Sunday morning. On and off rain throughout the day on Sunday. So we'll have some pauses here, but I do think we'll have some good batches of light to moderate rain. Could get a couple of rumbles of thunder for your Sunday. So that does at least mean that late game on Saturday, as of now, is out ahead of that rain. So we're keeping a close eye on that arrival time for you. Mostly cloudy in your eyeball vol forecast presented by Food City. Spotty rain can pop up, but those clouds slow down that cooling. Mid 60s at the start of the game to low 60s by the end. So definitely something to keep in mind as you're making your weekend plans. In your first alert 8-day planner, that transition down on temperatures as clouds roll in ahead of rain. We'll then keep that rain on and off throughout Sunday. Sunday night to early Monday is when that tapers off. That'll help to push temperatures down a little bit more. We're also keeping an eye out for some more showers next Wednesday night, which is why you can see another dip in temperatures next Thursday.